decelerating the aircraft down to its landing approach speed of about 200 miles an hour.
Today, the U.S. Navy Blue Angels will perform in Vidalia, Georgia.
Of course, the Blue Angels joining us from Naval Air Station Pensacola.
I am Danny, and welcome to my channel, Danovator, where my experiences become your adventure. Remember to please subscribe and hit that bell so you'll be notified when I release my next video.
The city of Vidalia is famous for the sweet onion, and Cowart Farms of nearby Lyons, Georgia, is one of the Vidalia Onion's premium growers. Before heading to the air show, and after being greeted by this talkative little dog, I am first going to explore the 2024 Vidalia Onion Festival Arts and Crafts Show. While walking around, you are entertained by some great singing. There's plenty of food vendors too. I couldn't help but to see what McKenzie's is cooking up. And they even have Asian cuisine. You can't have an onion festival without plenty of onions. I wonder if Bigfoot eats onions. Lorenzo has Army, Air Force, Marines, and Navy wooden emblems. When you think of the Navy, you think of ships, and this art was created by a licensed fishing charter boat captain. I am a fan of horror, and I'm a fan of Harry Potter. Speaking of the wizarding world, I find these wind spinners to be quite magical. Hawthorne leather out of Charleston, South Carolina is demonstrating how they emboss the letters on a leather belt. It's about that time that we head over to the air show so we can hear the noise of those performing aircraft. It's been a little windy today, as you can probably tell by some of my audio. By the way, that's a windsock, which shows wind direction at an airport. The air show is being held at the Vidalia Regional Airport, and I am a little worried on how I'm going to deal with all that copyright music. This area is known as Show Center. This is the central point where all the action at an air show takes place. These U.S. Navy jets are FA-18EFs. If you saw the movie Top Gun, then you've seen these jets. This airplane is a 1943 Boeing Stearman. It seems to be a popular photo op here at the air show. The Middle Georgia State University School of Aviation from Eastman, Georgia, and the South Georgia Technical College of Aviation from Americus, Georgia, is represented here. Here I'm shown an aircraft landing gear training module.
Hydraulics work, how the gear itself comes up and down, goes into an area here called the wheel well, where the wheel is tucked in. You have an aft spar back here, you have an aileron, and an aileron bay area.
There is a lot to see down the midway while we wait for the air show to begin. The Friends of Army Aviation are providing helicopter rides in a UH-1H Huey helicopter for $80. This bus played a vital role in the aid after some major hurricanes, including Hurricane Katrina. The parking area is getting full. At the far end of the midway, we find these custom monster trucks. In Lyons, Georgia, they have a sanctioned soapbox derby race. It's starting to get hot, and I know these snow cones will be a big hit today. I found this amazing invention for dealing with onions.
You put it to the side of your prep area next to your cutting board, and it blows the eye-irritating fumes and vapors away. No more tears, no more crying, no more burning.
And of course, there's a vendor that sells Blue Angels merchandise. You need to hurry before everything flies off the shelf. Now it's time for the 2024 Vidalia Onion Festival Airshow to begin.
Vidalia Onion Festival Airshow, the Titan Aerobatic Team. Right now, he joins us from Montclair, Virginia, flying the MX aircraft, MXS, arguably one of the most athletic and agile airplanes any place. We're going to watch now as the smoke comes on, and we get ready for Scott Francis as he dives in at over 300 miles an hour. Ladies and gentlemen, from above and to the left, the 2024 Vidalia Onion Festival Airshow is proud to present Scott Francis and the incredible MXS. With a grueling 10G pull to the vertical, let's watch as he rolls the airplane on the vertical upline, some 540 degrees per second on this MXS as he continues to roll the airplane, runs all out and up and brings it right back down towards the ground. Watch it now to the left, and we watch for that 4-point hesitation as he stops the aircraft. Everything flying like a madman, only 50 feet above the ground. Sets up for his next maneuver. We like to call this the slide winder. And the tail to slide on the 45-degree upline. The wings no longer creating any lift whatsoever. Just like his grandfather, an airline pilot, as well. Up and over the top. We watch him as he sets up for a series of rapid snap rolls. Let's count him out as he goes into 1, going into 2, 3, 4, and 5 as he sets up for that maneuver he likes to call the super avalanche. 5 snap rolls on the top.
I hope y'all been enjoying my video today. If you have, make sure you give me a big thumbs up.
Well, ladies and
Please stay till the
gentlemen,
end,
boys and
because
girls,
behind me,
very
the Blue
pleasant
Angels,
good
they're going to put on their part of the air show very
afternoon to each and every
shortly.
one of you. And on behalf of the
Before the Blue Angels take flight, their C-130 companion, known as Fat Albert, took to the sky and made a few passes. Fat Albert touched down in just a short distance, and in fine fashion, looked like it was taking a bow to the crowd.
Ladies and gentlemen, the stars and storms found proudly among the captain, the Blue Angels C-130. Solo from Baltimore, Maryland, Commander Thomas Zimmerman. Flying Blue Angel number 5, the lead solo from Madison, Wisconsin, Lieutenant Commander Griffin Stengel. Flying Blue Angel number 4, the slot pilot from Mounds View, Minnesota, Lieutenant Commander Amanda Lee. Flying Blue Angel number 2, the right wingman from Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Lieutenant Commander Jack Keelty. Flying Blue Angel number 1, the commanding officer and flight leader of the Blue Angels from Skaneateles, New York, Commander Alex Armitage. The noise level will soon become too high for you to hear a description of the checks they will be performing. However, please note that each aircraft was carefully inspected by expert Blue Angel maintenance personnel prior to this afternoon's aerial demonstration. The Blue Angels fly the Boeing FA-18 Super Hornet, a multi-mission strike fighter, versions of which have been operational throughout the fleet since 2001. Now, to the left, Commander Armitage calls smoke on, off brakes now, burners ready now, and the Blue Angel Diamond is rolling. As they pass before you, you will notice that the smoke is no longer visible by the engines right after. Diamond pilots are now stacked down and aft on a 45-degree bearing line to establish a right echelon formation. Is rolling out the diamond formation for another dynamic maneuver, the low brake cross. Approaching center point, each pilot will perform an individual brake turn and exit the flight line in a separate direction. Over center point, you will hear and feel the thunder of 6 engines producing 126,000 pounds of thrust. Ladies and gentlemen, the Section High Alpha Pass. The Blue Angel Delta. Ladies and gentlemen, the Blue Angel Delta Breakout. Your 2024 Blue Angels.
I take it in, but don't look down. I'm on top of the world. I've been waiting to stop that.
secure their engines. The pilots will simultaneously exit their aircraft on a signal from Commander Armitage. It has been an honor and our pleasure to perform for you here at Vidalia Regional Airport. This, our 12th flight demonstration of the 2024 season.